Well, hello, it's me again. I'm Suleiman Abubakar Salu, and in this video, this is the third video I'm recording in this series on how you can get started in tech. And today I'm going to talk about another platform that you can go and enroll in any of the tech courses that you are interested in. And the name of this platform is Udacity. So Udacity offers high quality courses, and these particular courses are recorded by engineers and instructors from big tech companies. By big tech companies, I'm talking about companies like Microsoft, Lenovo, Accenture, Nvidia. So they have courses on wide different areas. They have business courses, they have design courses, they have data analysis courses, and they have programming courses as well. So, and the good thing about Udacity is all the material that you can get access to Udacity are recorded by Yankee people. I'm not saying our people don't know how to record courses, but they treat these courses in such a way that you get to have an access to high quality education. Although I will say compared to other platforms that I have talked about before, Udacity is very expensive, but there is a way around it, just like I explained to you. So like other places like LinkedIn Learning, they have free courses that you can get access to. Udacity also partners with organizations. I didn't mention this before in my previous videos, but they partner with organizations like LX, Microsoft, and sometimes even government organizations to offer access to free courses. I know previously they are partnered with Bertelsmann to offer courses on cloud engineering or AWS. But then when you get into that same platform, you will see they will be calling numbers like they will be saying you have to pay around $399 per month in order for you to get access to those courses. Don't be afraid. In fact, they have free courses that you can get started as a beginner. Previously, when I was learning Android development, I actually find a course there which is free, and I started taking it, and it has been really helpful in terms of helping me understand the basics of mobile application development. And also, all these instructors are very professional, and you get to have access to online forum whereby you can discuss about the different problems and different experience you are getting in that course. So even if you are having a difficulty understanding some of the areas in those particular courses, you get to have learning peers that you can always fall back and they will explain that to you. Most of the things that Udacity focuses on are mostly technically related. Although they have few courses on design and they have other courses called nano degree courses. So nano degree courses are very expensive because I know a single nano degree costs $1,695, which is equivalent to 1.3 million in Nigerian naira. And the thing about nano degree course is when you get to organizations, all these tech organizations, they mostly recognize it as an equivalent of a degree. So that means even if you don't attend any college and you show them that nano degree certificate, you don't need to worry about whether you have a college degree on that particular area, which I think is a great thing with tech because industries are now realizing that licensing and certification from traditional universities, they are not giving it much importance. I'm not saying they are irrelevant, they are still relevant, but then they are not giving it that much importance. Udacity is a great platform that I think is worth exploring, especially for people that are just getting started in the tech. But then something that you should understand is it is very easy for you to get distracted with the numbers they are calling. That's the money they are demanding for you in order for you to start learning any course. But it's always a good idea for you to do your research before actually committing to pay for a certain amount of money while learning any course. You have to make sure that you are really focusing on understanding that so that you won't be wasting your money anyhow. By the way, I'm Suleiman Abubakar Saliu, and this is the third video of our series on how to get started in tech. And you can follow me on all social media handles at Suleiman. If you have found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button so that you can get access to any video the moment I post. Until we meet next time,